guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to curl your hair and how to achieve this Korean goddess wave hair curl that you can see on Pinterest. This tutorial is actually very easy. I've only curled my hair for 10 minutes. So if you want to know how I curled my hair and how to achieve this hair, then just please keep on watching. We were going to be using this curling wand from New Me, and they have different sizes here. Pero ang gagamitin natin is yung, I think this 36 millimeters. So we're gonna be using that. First, isasaksak natin yung curling iron. I still haven't used this, so bago pa lang siya na product. Ayun, nakasaksak na siya. Just gonna turn it on. We're gonna turn it on, and we're gonna start at 370 Fahrenheit, and then rubber button on. So for the first step, you need to cut your hair into half and tie the top part para hindi siya humalo sa baba. And then you're gonna take the hair from the back and put it in the front and cut it into two. Then unahin nating i-curl yung nasa left side, right side, whatever. And first, of course you need to take on your gloves para hindi masunog yung kamay nyo, because especially if you're a beginner, you need to wear your gloves. Kasi when I was starting out, ilang beses ako napaso before I learned to curl my hair. So yeah, that's my piece of advice. And then take out your curl and wait for it to heat up. After you magkuha ng small portion of hair, i-curl nyo lang siya ng ganyan until maubos niyo yung hair. And then just wait for it. Just wait for it for 15 to 10 seconds. Pero mas maganda kapag 15 to 20 para mag-curl siya. Kasi pag tulad yan, yung unang try ko is fail because mabilis ko siyang kinulot. So you really have to be patient. Patience is the key. If you don't have patience, then you can't curl your hair. Kaya tagalan nyo lang. Yeah, you need a lot of practice. Hindi rin ako marunong when I started curling my hair. Pero nung tsinagaan ko siya, natutunan ko naman, you know. Beauty is pain, and beauty is everything. Charot. I'm just reacting to my video right now. I don't know what I'm saying. Charan! See how that curls. Dapat hawakan nyo muna siya sa top para hindi siya magkusa na bagay. And as you can see, mahangin because nakatutok sa akin electric fan because it's hot. Ganyan na yan siya. Pero after nyo siyang i-curl, pag kuha na nyo na lahat, you can just recurl it again kung gusto nyo pa ng konting like detail, you know. Now we're gonna curl again. Tagal-tagal to buddy. Take it slow and nice. Slowly but surely. Pagkatapos nyo mag-wait ng 15 seconds, i-catch nyo yung curl and then stay nyo lang siya ng ganyan para hindi siya maglusan na agad, and then i-ganyan nyo siya. After curling the left side, sunod nyo naman yung right side. And of course, kailangan nyo ilipat yung gloves para hindi kayo ulit mapasok. If you don't have gloves, meron naman yung mabibili sa Shopee. Just search it up, or I'll just leave a link down below. Then take another hair. Mali yung pinag-curl ko. Dapat siyang pa ganun eh. Dapat pa upwards, hindi pa inwards. Inwards yung ginawa ko. But it should be outwards. Now I'll just curl the remaining hair sa baba. And then we're just gonna move on with the top part. If you wanna really curl your hair, gumising ka ng maaga. So you'll have so many time, di ka nag-rush. Kasi hindi nyo talaga yun magagawa if you're rushing. Now we're just gonna take the small hair from the back or from the front. Kahit ano pwede, kung saan kayo mas comfortable unahin. Yun ang unahin nyo. It's either front or back. It's your choice. Inuna ko yung nasa top part. I'm just gonna curl it upwards. And just wait for it 10 to 15 seconds. And then, ganyan nyo lang siya. Then, look at that curl. Medyo pangit lang siya ngayon, pero pag mamaya na-brush out niyan, it will turn out perfect. Now, take another hair. Nipisan nyo lang ng konti kasi kapag mas makapal siya, mas matagal siyang mag-curl. So, just take it as light as possible. Ganyan lang. Patience is the key to life. Para hindi kayo mabored, mag-play kayo ng music while doing it. Take another hair. Is that the last hair? I think. And wait ka lang. I usually count 20 seconds para mas matagal siya. Because my hair is kinda thick. Pag manipis yung hair nyo, kahit mga 10 seconds or 13 seconds, okay na. Then, ganyan lang. Next, sa part na to medyo mali yung ginawa ko kasi ang pinag-curl ko is inwards. It should be outwards. Hindi siya nakapasok sa loob. Dapat nakalabas siya sa harap. Do you get what I mean? Parang ganun. I don't know what's the purpose. Basta mali yung ginawa ko dyan, guys. Please don't do it. Dapat pa ganun siya. Kaso ang ginawa ko, pinaharap ko. Mamaya i-correct natin yan. After ko mag-curl ng second hair, doon ko lang na-realize na mali yung pinag-curl ko sa una. That's why I repeated it again. And ayun, kinulit ko ulit siya. Carry pa naman yan. Now, we're just gonna loosen it up a little bit. Medyo nakukulangan pa ako. So, dadagdagan pa natin yung curl dyan later. Yung ginagawa ko dyan is para madagdagan yung volume niya. Hindi siya mukhang super plain na super flat. Kulang yung hair. No, kulang yung curl. Kaya dadagdagan ko ulit. Just add. Dagdagan nyo lang siya. Just repeat it again and again until masatisfy kayo. Then don't forget your hairspray. Yan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat ng part. If you don't use hairspray, mawawala din lahat ng effort mo kasi hindi yan mag-i-stay for the whole day. Pero yan, kapag nag-spray ka, kahit itulog mo, pagising mo, nakaka-curl pa rin yan. Like, yan lang. Ayan guys, it's very easy. It's very 10-minute curl. Kahit nagra-rush kayo pwede kasi ganyan lang siya compared dun sa isang tutorial ko. Change outfit lang ako and I'll be back. It's very easy. It's very aesthetic. It's very Korean style wave hair. And ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching this video. And I hope you guys like it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, or share this video. If you found this video helpful, send it to your friend because sharing is caring. Bye bye.